I woke up early again. The morning felt calm and quiet. The light was soft and gentle. I stood by the window. I looked outside, slowly. Everything felt peaceful. The street was waking up. People were moving quickly. Cars passed one by one. But I was not in a hurry. I did not feel stressed. I just watched quietly. Then I saw her again. The same woman from yesterday. She was standing in the same place. She was standing near the entrance downstairs. She looked a little lost. This time, she looked less worried. But she was still quiet. She stood there alone. She did not move much. She looked around slowly. I thought for a moment. I did not rush this time. Then I smiled gently. I walked downstairs. I stepped outside slowly. The air felt cool and fresh. She looked at me. We both paused for a moment. And this time, I wanted to say more. I took a small step forward. My heart felt calm. Then I spoke. "Good morning," I said. My voice was soft. I smiled a little. "Good morning," she replied. Her voice was quiet. But it felt warm. "Are you okay?" I asked. I spoke slowly. I wanted to be kind. She paused for a moment. She looked at me gently. Then she smiled. "Yes, I think I am," she said softly. Her eyes looked calmer. She seemed more relaxed. "Thank you for asking," she said. Her voice sounded sincere. Something felt different. We talked for a little while. Just simple things. Nothing complicated. The morning felt warmer. The world felt closer. Everything felt softer. It was a small conversation. But it felt real. It stayed with me. And once again, that was enough. I felt calm inside. Maybe we do not need big words. Maybe simple words are enough. A small question can help. A kind voice can matter. A small conversation can bring people closer. And sometimes, that is everything. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe.